Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Blitz reward app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the Blitz reward app. So I can directly search from here. So we write it as Blitz reward app. If it's working, then fine. If it's not working, you have to follow this instruction. Just press and hold it here. Then have to click on this I button. So here you have to scroll down and just click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Okay. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not, then you have to probably check for an update. Just go to the Google search bar and search for the Blitz reward app. So from here you have to download the latest version of the app. Okay, well, let's search for that. Let's search for like that. So from here you have to download the latest version and it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.